Garden maintenance is the responsibility of the tenant. Okay, the tenant is responsible for ensuring that the grounds are kept up in the same condition as at the start of the tenancy. So gardens are generally defined to be lawns, gardens, beds, with the exception that anything overhead height that requires height access equipment is generally the landlord's responsibility to deal with. I think one of our key tasks that we deal with as a property manager is in the way we deal with maintenance. Maintenance is one of the largest reasons why we have clients. They want someone else to look after maintenance requests from the tenant on a 24/7 basis and take that difficult and disruptive and often contentious task away from them.